Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the perfect vanilla cupcakes for beginners. These perfect soft buttery vanilla cupcakes are for the first time bakers and they are extremely delicious, fluffy, buttery, and they are going to melt in your mouth. Also, I have added this extremely delicious vanilla frosting in it. So let's get started. In a hot pan, I'm adding in the butter. Once the butter melts completely, I'm going to add the sugar into it. Stirring the sugar in low to medium flame. Adding the milk. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes until the butter, milk and the sugar dissolves completely. After this step, I'm going to turn off the burner and let the mixture cool off to room temperature. Beating up some eggs in a bowl. Also, in the all-purpose flour, I'm going to add baking powder and going to mix it well. Now in the mixture of the butter, adding in the egg. Going to give a quick stir. Adding the all-purpose flour. Mix everything well together. Going to slowly fold all of the ingredients well so that it does not form any lumps. Now I'm going to add the vanilla extract and mix everything well together. I have already prepared the cupcake pan with the cupcake liners, and I'm going to put in some oil spray so that the cupcakes don't stick while it's baking. Now going to put the batter into the cupcake liners. I'm putting in a little bit more than half of it. You can see I'm leaving little bit of space in between. I have already preheated the oven in 340 Fahrenheit and going to set it for 20 to 25 minutes and going to put the cupcakes into the oven for baking. And after 25 minutes, my cupcakes are going to be ready to be served. While the cupcakes are getting baked, I'm going to make the frosting. So I'm using your heavy whipping cream, which is chilled, and I've taken it out from the refrigerator. I'm going to add it in the mixing bowl. With that, 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, as it's vanilla cupcakes, I'm not going to forget to add the vanilla extract. And then blend everything together for approximately 5 minutes depending on your blender speed. As you can see that some soft peaks have been formed, this is the time I'm going to stop blending because my frosting is ready. The cupcakes are ready. You can see it looks amazing, perfect, and so fluffy and buttery. You can see how soft it looks. I'm going to keep this in room temperature for some time, and after that I'm going to just put the frosting on top of these cupcakes. I'm using a star nozzle, and now I'm going to use a piping bag and going to put the nozzle inside the piping bag and put the piping bag inversely inside the cup, exactly the way I'm showing it here. And now I'm going to put all the mixture inside this bag. Close the piping bag tightly, and now it's time to frost the cupcakes. At first, I'm going to slowly, on circular motion from the sides to the center, you can see, just fill up the base of the cupcakes. I just love doing this frosting. It's so much fun. And then lastly, I'm going to decorate these cupcakes with little bit of colorful sprinkles. These sprinkles actually look so good in these cupcakes. Just look at these. It looks so amazing and tempting. I can't wait to try it. It looks so soft, buttery and delicious. This is one of the best cupcakes you could ever make, and this is so easy and fast. Do give this recipe a try. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Show Me's World. See you soon. Bye bye.